Okay, to make the bandana pillow you need 2 bandanas that are hopefully the same size. I'm going to take one bandana and lay it down. Notice that it's right side up. The way I can tell it's the right side up is I can read the writing. Then I'm going to take my other bandana that kind of matches it, and I'm going to lay it right sides down. Here's the writing. So the writing's going to the inside. That way my right sides are together. Okay, these bandanas, you have to work with them a minute to get them to kind of line up. If you just run over them like this with your fingernails, usually that will work. You're going to need your pins, and then your bags of stuffing that's going to go in the middle. We'll put that in a minute. The first thing you're going to do is line up your corners. So you got 2 corners here, the pin goes down, it pops back up, and the head hangs off of the pillow. Then I'm going to move to my next corner and pin him. My 3rd corner, and my 4th corner. Okay, then I need to move to pinning the sides. 2 pins should go on each side, about right here and right here, 1/3 of the way. Just make sure that you line up the fabrics. So if I line that guy up, and then I line this guy up, and it doesn't have to be exact, just about 2 pins on each side will hold it in place well. Okay, now that I've got all 4 sides pinned, I have to make a decision where I'm going to leave it open. You can leave it open on any side, so I'm going to choose right here. So I'm going to double pin here, and that's going to remind me to start and stop there. This part I'm going to leave open so I can turn it right side out. So I'm going to come to my sewing machine, and I'm going to stick in where those double pins are. Put those double pins in front of my presser foot. Make sure this is on 5/8. Take out the double pins. Back stitch a bit. And I'm going to sew until I get to the corner. I want to make sure and stop right as soon as I can see the metal plate. And the metal plate is right there. Can you see that? If I stop about there, and I pivot with my hand wheel, then it lines up nice at 5/8 again. If I go past that, I'm going to have to back stitch a bit. So you're going to do this on all 4 corners. You're going to keep going. Okay, as soon as I see that metal plate again, I'm going to stop right there, pivot, pivot again. Alright, there's my last pivot right here. You notice that there's the double pin. That's telling me where I need to stop. So I'm going to go until I get to about those double pins. And then I'll just put in my reverse. Okay. Put my thread. Alright, this is the part where you're going to put your hand in here and you're going to turn out these corners. So pull it out. Okay, now all it needs is the stuffing. So you'll take the bags of stuffing, stuff them inside, and then when all the stuffing's inside and you have this hole, come and show me and I'll show you how to hand stitch it with a needle. And that's the bandana pillow.